Hi, I'm Lottie Murphy and I'm a wellness and foodie blogger here in London, and I'm going to be showing you some delicious recipes today, and we're going to make this cacao, avocado and Manuka honey mousse. So it's a really nice dessert alternative, really quick to make. So we're going to be using Manuka honey, and that's the only sweetness that's in this recipe apart from the little raspberries that are going to be on top. So we're going to start by just chopping the avocado. As I said, this recipe is so quick and simple. We're going to scoop it out, pop it into the blender. Okay, so now we're going to pop in everything else. So we've got a little bit of vanilla extract. We're going to be going for about a teaspoon. We've got 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. And then we're going for 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. And then we're going to just be adding 2 tablespoons of almond milk. And then of course your Manuka honey. So as I said, this is the only sweet thing in here. You don't need to use too much. We're just going for 2 teaspoons. And now we're just gonna blend it all up. Okay, so now we're just going to dispense that into these 2 lovely dessert bowls. So I'm just gonna pop these in the fridge now for about 20 minutes, half an hour, chill them, and then bring them out and top them with the raspberries and the mint. Okay, so these are ready to be served now, and we'll just pop some fresh berries on top. Fresh mint. So there you have it there, the avocado, cacao, Manuka honey desserts. I hope you enjoy them. They give you that little Manuka honey hit. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.